So the power is out again. I'm gonna get water here. Okay, I got 3 gallons of water there. Like this size. So we're just finished dinner and now we're just chilling on the couch. My son is watching a show in his tablet. Lucky we charged earlier when we had the power for 7 hours. We get our house heat up again and we turn on the fireplace, and hopefully it's not as cold as last night.
Oh.
Who's winning? Good thing Liam is eating dumplings. Is it good?
Besides, my dad doesn't cry anymore.
Well, you know what they say about promises.
Dad, you should always keep them around your big hat.
So today, February 17, we have power about 6 a.m. and then until 9:30. And then right now we don't have power again. So the snow today is melting there, and it's not too cold anymore outside. I think it's about 30 degrees, 30 plus, something like that. So it's not that cold. So today I cannot run the disposal because there's no electricity. Now the water is stuck. Yeah. So I was gonna wash the dishes, but the water is stuck. But luckily we still have water because other people lost their water when this thing happened. So a lot of people, lots of our neighbors and friends, their pipe got broken because of when it freezes. So they have a busted pipe, and the water is just all over the place. They share on, and so normally in our neighborhood we have about 5 hours of electricity, and they're able to update everybody what's going on in their house and asking for help. Some of my friends don't have electricity as well. Oh, our dog wants food. You gonna run out of food, Brian? I hope the store is open so we can buy food for you. What are you gonna do, Brian?
You're hungry.
Go feed your rice. Are you gonna go on a rice diet, Brian? No?
Monkey around like that, are you?
No, I actually crashed into you.
But you're not gonna get second place if you do that. Definitely not gonna get first.
So guys, the power is back again after how many hours? I think 4 hours. 4 hours that is out of power. Now it's back again. So it's 1 o'clock. It's time to find the lunch. So guys, lucky we have food in here. So we don't really have to go to the store, but we really don't know what is the situation, if the store is open, because we never really got out. So I don't really know about outside today. I think he's gonna try if he could buy dog food, because Brian, our dog, is running out of food. So I don't know how he's if he's going outside or not. But since we have some of these, because it's cold weather, as you can see, it's still cold because the electricity is gone earlier. So I think I'm just gonna make instant noodles this one. And guys, you know that the water, so they issue something in the they say you can't drink the water from the faucet, because when my husband turned on the water in our bathtubs, the water become kind of yellowish color, so it looks dirty. And then we received message that we can't drink the water from the faucet. So it's good that we have water stock in here, and also we have those small water bottle, because so today is what, February 17th. So February 13th, we went to grocery store and we buy a lot of stuff for Liam's party. So we have those like this bottle of water. So upstairs we have lunch, and then in the cooler. So it's okay that we don't drink from the faucet. But you know, some people they rely on water on the faucet and they can't cook, and also they don't have electricity. So also other people don't have gas, so if they have the electric stove, it's gonna be hard for them because they can't cook or boil water or something like that. So we're still lucky that we're able to cook something in the gas stove, and we have enough food to last us until the weather change. So that's the update right now when the electricity is back, and my husband and my son is upstairs. They're playing the games that Liam had from his birthday. I'm not sure if from mom and dad, the gifts, but yeah, that's what he's busy right now playing. But I already feed Liam earlier with the dumplings. Luckily he eat dumplings, otherwise I don't know what he's, because earlier we don't have the electricity, so I don't know what to serve him. He ate already lunch, and now me and my husband will eat lunch. Guys, I just received call from the school that they're closed until Friday now, so no school. Yeah. You're not cold, Liam?
No.
Okay, that's good. Next, Liam, busy. Do you like this toy? So my husband is going to the attic to check everything is working fine or not. Thank goodness we don't have problem with pipes and everything, because otherwise that's gonna be a big mess. But some of our neighbor, they have problem with the pipes, and the water are all coming out from their house. So yeah, we turn off the fireplace because the power is on.
Lihat padamu. Kick.
Don't like this one, Brian, too. Guys, when the power is back, the first thing I'll do is I have to run the garbage disposal. So it doesn't plug again. And then I'm gonna make rice before the power is out again, so later I don't have to cook. But well, I can cook it on stove as well, but right now I think it's a good idea if I just cook in a rice cooker, and then later I don't have to think about the rice, and I'll just have to cook dinner. And tonight, lucky I have a frozen meat in there, so I'm planning to make a Japanese curry. Like this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And my son is watching TV right now for a little bit, so it keeps him busy. So guys, I think the CenterPoint Power Energy figured out already how to rotate to get the electricity, because yeah, right now we have the power back, but it's not gonna last for long. I think it's gonna we're gonna have it for 4 hours or 5 hours, and then it's gonna be gone again, and then other people will have power. Yeah, because I know this because I asked some of my friends when I get a signal or internet on my phone. I would message them, and then they will let me know if they have electricity. So yeah, sometimes they have electricity, and then we don't have electricity. So I think they figured out how to give everybody a little bit of comfort with giving them short time of electricity. But I think it's a good idea that everybody should have electricity, even though for a short time. At least they can heat up the house, and they can charge their phone, or they can do stuff in their house that is important for them to survive the cold. So I just want to tell you guys that right now it's not a long time that we don't have electricity, so once in a while it come out and it's gone again. So look at the water, guys. So yesterday we dumped the water that we already filled the bathtub, because we wanted to put hot water in the tub, hoping to keep the house warm. So we removed the water, and then we tried to fill in again, and that's what happened. As you can see, the dirt, so you can't really drink the water. But I was filling this up again because just in case that we need water, we have water. Because like some of my friends, they use water from swimming pool to flush their toilets. So it's really good if we have extra water like this, because it's possible that we will lose the water.
Kroger is packed. Everything else looks closed though. Oh, Wendy's maybe is open, maybe not.
I'm gonna make rice before the power is out.
Can I have some popcorn, Mommy?
What? Popcorn? Oh yeah, right now you can have a popcorn because there's still power. You know how to make them? Go get a pack. We'll make rice before the power is out. This should not be taking so long. So guys, that's all for the update, and I think we're gonna be good because the power stay on for a while now. So, but some of the people still struggling to fix the mess in their house or to stay warm without electricity. But we got so lucky that we handled this winter storm in Texas, and we managed to stay warm, and we managed to keep our pipe all together and not broken. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.